one of the VIP toilets. It's an office. What's missing? No, the guy got the somebody's right. Oh, that's part of the pleasure park. So,
I think you recall that I have been here before, and I also had briefings from the different departments. I've gone around to see the progress being made in respect of this facility. I've also gone to see the other facilities before now. These are great structures that were put in place, to support the economic activities of socio-economic activities of the state. I want to believe that if we can optimize their use, that we can get a lot of young men off the streets and boost capacity. And basically, I'm just going around to see the state of things as they stand. Very much underutilized, very, very much underutilized, and I think we need to do something to make sure that place is put to the appropriate use that it was deserved to.